Welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog, I'm going to cook sinigang. First step, I have the carne. Ako siya gilutaan with asin and bombay with cornstarch. And next, I have my panghalo, mga sabaw. And the most important one, the kangkong. Okay, right now, I'm going to add radish. Okay, mo siya ihinahinay siyang put. Kanang Barbie doll, pina-Barbie nga pagkaput. Shut put. May mga distractions, no? And then, chef, what will be the next one?
Ilunod ang kanyo.
Next will be the string beans or the batong.
Naku, remember ano yun.
May mga distractions. Oh, I'm sorry. I already included ko on. And it's okay. And then next will be the talong. Do I have to include this talong? Okay. Do not include me in the video because I'm so tungish. The chef is so tungish. Muna siyang parat-parat na nidaan yung akong I prepare. Okay, ako siyang giukay. Ako siyang gilunod sa mga sabaw. And then, imo siyang i-simmer for just a couple of minutes. And then you cover it. Okay, marami bukal na siya. After na ko gilunod ang talong, radish, batong di ay, and then the rest. And next will be, I'm going to add okra. I don't know what's okra. And then again, let it simmer. Okay, so since nibukal na siya, I'm going to add the sinigang mix with gabi. And since this is half kilo nga karni, half na sinigang mix ako in sabaw. Kaya para ma-achieve ang akong ganahan na super aslom. And sinigang mix na siya. And I'm going to mix it. And again, let it simmer. So, since bukal na sad siya, and then na-feel na ako ang kabaho silang sampalok, I'm going to add this kangkong. This will be the last ingredient. If ganahan mong sagbot, sila ganon dyan siya. And I'm going to mix it. I don't know if this is the right way, but this is the Mugna one for James' son. Cooking sinigang for the first time. Inibukal na siya. Finally, inibukal na siya. I'm going to taste it na if this looks sinigang na bagyod. Okay, achieve na. Achievement. So, let's eat na, girls. Let's eat my first sinigang cooking. Okay. Here's the finished product. It looks sinigang. It looks like sinigang na bit siya. Okay. Okay, today we're gonna taste my sinigang with Auntie June.
Dito may kick now.
Of course.
Yung mag-ring rice.
Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Ano ka tilawan?
Yes, you taste it. How does it taste man? Uy!
Iba na siya ma. Na-achieve na siya.
You rate it from 1 to 10.
Mga 7.
Why 7?
Kulang siya yun.
Ansay kuwang.
Kulang siya para na ako.
Ansay kuwang.
Igo rin nila ako.
Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy your lunch, Auntie June.
Ito.
Thank you, thank you. Bye for now.
Ang dami kinahanglan.